Check this out, 20 million euros. Jump on. It's called the AK Royalty by Palmer Johnson. You ready? This is a 20 million euro yacht. Check out the afterdeck. Stone table with the whites, looks great. Head over to open this. We just press that button. Door slides open. Have a look. Fendi furniture, you got Fendi pillows, the rug, very luxurious. TV down here. And just everything here feels nice. Look at these little chess pieces right there. Very shiny Puma. And this is your dining table. Right there for the captain. Come this way. Check this out. How nice is this? This is the master room, another Puma. The bed has like a Louis Vuitton duvet. This is probably the most premium tic-tac-toe board I've ever seen in my entire life. This way. This is the master bathroom with a see-through bathtub. Okay, so let's go this way. I want to show you guys the upstairs. Ready? All right, this is the top deck. And my favorite part, the jacuzzi. This is nice. Now, at the back, you have a DJ booth, which will be a lot of fun, and a little barbecue area right here. Great for parties. In the distance, you can see the sunbeds. Let's go down there. Look at how much space you have here, by the way. I mean, it's wide. All right. These are the sunbeds, like a lounge, and it's huge. Now, you can either buy this yacht for 20 million euros or you can charter it for around $4,000 an hour, which, to be honest, considering what you're getting, is pretty good. What do you guys